Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make sure that your Teams is that your Microsoft Edge is up to date. So you'll open a new tab, tap the three dots and go to settings. Once you've reached settings, you could check you could look, but then you could also just go search update. Sorry. So yeah, you see app, you just search app updates, so it will show you that your Edge is up to date. But if your Edge isn't up to date, it will show you an install button right here to click and install the newest version. And when you've installed the newest version, keep this in mind, once you tap restart, it will close all your web browsers. It will close all of them and reopen them again. I'm not sure if it does reopen them, but I'm sure it restarts, it closes the browser to open it again, restarting it to put back all the browser changes that need be. So thank you for watching this quick video. Catch you in the next one. Goodbye. Make sure we hit that 200 subscriber goal.